guys, welcome back. My Lovelula box has arrived and I can't wait to dive into this one. I do love this box. If you're new here, hello, my name is Amy. Hit the subscribe button before you leave and come and join our YouTube family. We are a lovely bunch. With that being said, pop the kettle on, pull up a chair and let's dive into this box. I absolutely love the Lovelula box. It's very different to all the other subscription boxes I get, and that's what makes it a lot more fun. The box comes like this. This is the bottom. My address is on the top. So yeah, you know, that's how it goes. Lovelula is a beauty website. It's organic products. They are ethically sourced. They are vegan, cruelty free and fair trade. It's a lot. They also provide a monthly subscription box. I will put the price in the description down below of how much I pay, but I've got a 12-month subscription with them and I've been getting boxes since December. I think it's either November or December, and I've not really had one that disappointed. There's been sort of one box where I've been but apart from that, absolutely love them. And as per usual, you get a card and you get on one side all of the items that are in the box. It gives you a brief description, and on this side, as you can see, you get a 20% discount off of every item in the box if you want to repurchase them, which I think is an absolute fabulous idea. And Lovelula have said that this month's box is worth £59, which I think is quite good value. I'm going to give you a quick sneaky peek if I don't bash myself with the box first. There we go. There's 4 items in there. It looks quite cool, and I think I've spied a makeup item, which would be the first makeup item I've ever got in Lovelula, so I'm really excited. It looks great. So let's dive in, and the first item we have, it's from Liggetts, and it's mini shampoo, and it says bar sampler. So I presume in this box you get, as it says there, 6 bars of shampoo, which would be really cool. I've not had a great experience with shampoo bars lately, so this would be a great way to kind of change my mind. So let's see if we can get into this box. Oh, there's a lot of packaging. Yeah, and they are little bars of shampoo. This is really cute. I quite like this. They come like this. So we've got 6 little ones, and we've got, it says a herbal formula. We've got healthy clean hair. So I think they're sort of like all different little ones. What have we got here? Tea tree and hemp oil. We've got moisturising. There is also jojoba and peppermint. That seems like it's going to smell really nice. Can't really smell it through the packaging. Original formula, so you just got like an original bar. These remind me of like little bars of chocolate. Really cute. And we've also got coconut and argan oil. I bet this one's really, really nice. You know, they're quite small, but you do get 6 of them, which I think is really, really good. Rather than just getting one small bar, you've got 6 different ones to choose from. Can't really smell that one either, but we'll see what Lovelula have said on the card. And it says the J.R. Liggetts mini shampoo set. Dive right into this renowned shampoo line with one of each of the 6 fantastic formulas, each unique like the person using them. Oh, that's really cool. So they've tried to tailor them to a person. So, you know, if you've got different kind of hair types, hopefully you'll find one that will actually suit you. That's really cool. Or give the gift to someone you love and let them experience the luxurious lather for the first time. Oh, that's really cute. I like that. The next item is a bit of an ooh, because it is ooh. I like this. This is really cool. It's like the little things that tickle me, and I'm easily tickled. It's organic jojoba face oil. This looks cool. I always feel a bit wary of face oils because I have combo skin and it does lean oily. So I'm always a bit like, an oil. But I do occasionally use them. Now let's see what this kind of feels on the skin. It's going to run everywhere, I expect. So there we go. You're not really going to see very much because it's an oil, because it's running away. And let's rub it in and see if there is a fragrance. Not really, no. Can't really smell anything there, which is cool. And it's rubbing in. Yeah, not really anything there. That's rubbing in really well. And it's not overly oily. Yeah, there is a certain amount of oil there. But, you know, that's absorbing into my skin nice. And my hand actually feels really soft with that. So I might add that into sort of my skincare routine maybe once a week, once or twice a week, and see how it goes. Because I use retinol quite regularly, sometimes it can dry my skin out. So yeah, I'm quite pleased with that. And like I said, I don't often use oils, so that's quite cool. And Lovelula have said, ooh, oils of heaven, jojoba oil. The latest from OO, or O, so that's the actual brand name, which is cool. A unique oil as it closely mimics the skin own sebum. So that's cool. So that's sort of like the natural oils that come out of your skin. So that's really great. Helps prevent clogged pores, making it suitable for acne prone or oily skin. Can be used to stimulate the scalp too, so you can use it as a hair oil as well as a face oil, and it's designed for people with oily and acne prone skin, so it shouldn't make you look like an oil slick. I've got a little bit on my hands. I'm just gonna be a bit cheeky and just run the excess through my hair there. It seems to be flying away everywhere anyway today. It's going a bit crazy. I really like that. That's, you know, it's a good idea. The next item I'm really excited about because I'm hoping it is what I think it is, and I'm hoping I pronounce this correctly as well. I do apologise. It's the Inika Long Lash Vegan Mascara, and it's in the shade black. It is! So I got my first ever makeup item in Lovelula, which is absolutely fabulous. I always kind of thought that they were just skincare and hair care or body care. But no, we've got makeup too. And it says Inika Long Lash on the packaging. I like this packaging. It's simple, but you know, you've got your gold here. But let's have a look at what this wand is like, because I'm so fussy. Oh yeah, I'm gonna like that. We have got a proper bristled wand, sorry. So it's like an actual brush, and it's tapered at one end. I'm gonna like that brush. I'm just hoping the formula is great as well. Sorry, I have to smell it. Doesn't smell of anything. It's just because of my Lash Paradise smells like beer. So yeah, I'm really excited to try that. I've got a lot of mascaras on the go at the moment. And it says it's the Inika Long Lash Mascara. Long and luscious lashes are now attainable with an intense effect that is soft and gentle on your eyes. I really like a soft and gentle eye look. Not that you would think so today. It's kind of why I like brown eyeliners. Brown mascaras, they are a lot softer on the eyes than black ones are. But this one says it creates a softer look, which is great. It coats lashes without clumping, bleeding or get that out right. Flaking. So I've got a bit of an itchy nose. Flaking. That's quite a bold claim to make, because I've come across so many mascaras, probably you have too, that the wand will be absolutely fabulous. The liquid, the actual formula will be a great consistency, but you will find that it will either clump or it will flake, or it just will transfer everywhere. There will be something wrong with it. So that's quite bold to say that it's basically foolproof. So we're going to have to put that to the test. It says a pure mineral enriched formula. It's ideal for sensitive eyes, which is absolutely fabulous. Certified vegan, halal and cruelty free, which is absolutely fabulous. I like that. And the last item I've seen is a lip balm. I've not had a lip balm for quite a while. I think my last lip balm was in a Lovelula box. And this is from Crazy Rumours, and it's in the flavour Black Cherry. There we go. Let's give it a... Oh, yeah, that is black cherries. I really like that. I'm not going to pop it on my lips, but I'll just You're not going to be able to see it, but I'll just pop a little bit on my hand just to kind of see how it feels. Oh, that smells so nice. That reminds me of, do you remember Jolly Ranchers, the sweets? It reminds me of the red ones of those. Oh yeah, I really like that. And pop that to one side. And it says it's Crazy Rumours Black Cherry Lip Balm, sweet, succulent and simply mouth-watering. Well, it smells that good you could actually eat it. It was really sweety. This is fruity cherry bliss at its finest, 100% natural, vegan, cruelty-free. It's super moisturising with shea butter and jojoba oil, which is absolutely fabulous. We kind of got like 2 jojoba oil products in there, which is absolutely great. And you know, there was only 4 items in today's box, but I think they are pretty good items. And you've got sort of skincare and hair care. You've got a bit of makeup there and something for your lips, so you can't really go wrong. I'm really, really pleased. Well done, Lovelula. Well, let me know what you thought of this month's Lovelula box in the comments below. I would love to hear from you. And until next time, lovelies, please take care. Bye-bye.